conspiracy with the Miller, senior additional collector. Yes, Mr. Vikram Singh, you are prosecuting him. Let us hear from you what is the charge against him.
Other person has been...
Just a minute. We are not concerned with that. Other person may have been granted bail, his bail may have been rejected. We will assess it on your own merit. For the Vigilance Department, the then senior additional collector and executive assistant, along with the petitioner, were made accused.
One peculiar circumstance...
Just a minute. In the event of arrest, to surrender 10,000. Yes.
May I please?
Yes.
Yeah. Originally, the FIR was instituted against one rice miller minor by the FCI manager.
Yes.
Kumar. Under 409, 406, 409 and 420. During investigation, the name of the other three persons transpired. One of the petitioner is also in that act, and provisions of PC Act has been added, my lord. Petitioner has not named in the FIR, and Arvind Kumar, against whom the original FIR was registered, he has been granted anticipatory bail, my lord.
Kumar has been granted anticipatory bail because the accusation against him is of not returning the custom mill rice against the wheat which he may have taken. But so far as you are concerned, Hussain, senior additional collector, you are the petitioner, and Kumar.
Hussain has been also granted anticipatory bail.
Who are you?
I am Nasir.
What is the charge against you?
At the relevant time, I was manager there.
That's all right, but what is the charge?
When the agreement in the FIR, there is no charge, my lord.
That's all right. You have not been named in the FIR, so how would there be any charge against you?
Yeah.
What has transpired against you? That were you in conspiracy with the miller?
At the relevant time, when the
agreement... Bahas karna hai to kariye unnecessarily. I am not going to catechize, I am not going to elicit answers from you. If you can argue what is the charge, what is the allegation against you, what has come against you, all right, we will assess it and grant you or reject bail. But if you just keep on repeating one thing, I am sorry, I can't help you.
जिस पीरियड में एग्रीमेंट था, जो उस समय हम वहाँ मैनेजर थे, और वो जिस पीरियड में मिलर को राइस...
तो क्या कहते हैं कि आपने जानते हुए कि इनकी...
मेरी कम्प्लिसिटी वो बता रहे हैं
किस वजह से
कि मिलर ने जो राइस वो पैडी लिया, उसको कन्वर्ट करके राइस नहीं दिया, और वो पीरियड इंटरवेनिंग पीरियड में ही हमारा वहाँ से ट्रांसफर हो गया था ऑलरेडी.
तो आप पर ये चार्ज है कि आपने रिकवरी के लिए कोई स्टेप्स नहीं उठाया या कोई FIR नहीं की? क्या चार्ज क्या है, वही मैं जानना चाहता हूँ.
चार्ज वही है जो कि हमने रिकवरी के लिए कोई स्टेप्स नहीं उठाया, लेकिन हमने लिखा कि जब ये एग्रीमेंट एग्जिस्ट कर रहा था, उसी पीरियड में हमारा वहां से
ट्रांसफर हो गया. Yes, Mr. Vikram Singh, you are prosecuting him. Let us hear from you what is the charge against him.
Other person has been...
Just a minute. We are not concerned with that. Other person may have been granted bail, his bail may have been rejected. We will assess it on your own merits. Yes.
Since his name has transpired in course of investigation.
On the mic. Speak on the mic.
His name has transpired in course of investigation. We need to have a case diary to see the charge, what is it, because it has not been mentioned in the...
No, what has the sessions judge written?
He has not specifically written anything, my lord. Nor any para of the case diary has been shown where any charge could have been fastened with the petitioner, my lord.
Look, what's your name? I heard Mr. Kumar, learned advocate for the petitioner, and Mr. Vikram Singh for the Vigilance Department. Prosecutor for the state. The petitioner seeks bail in anticipation of his arrest in connection with so-and-so. The FIR was initially registered against one Kumar, proprietor of the rice mill, who did not return the requisite custom milled rice despite an agreement at the time of purchase of paddy. While he was being prosecuted and investigations were being conducted, the complicity of the petitioner and two others also surfaced. One Mohammed, the then senior additional collector, and Kumar, an executive assistant, along with the petitioner were made accused. Stop. The petitioner at the relevant time was the manager of
Supol FCI, man.
manager of FCI Supol. Stop. The accusation against him is of giving a long rope to Arvind Kumar in the matter of return of the custom milled rice, commensurate with the quantity of paddy which he has received. Stop. Land counsel for the petitioner has further submitted that Kumar has been granted anticipatory bail.
Yes, ma'am.
That Kumar, the proprietor of the rice mill, has been granted anticipatory bail by a bench of this court. Stop.
By the court below.
Anticipatory bail by the court below. Stop. Muhammad, the then senior additional collector, has also been granted.
By the court below, ma'am.
Has also been granted anticipatory bail by the court below. Stop. Land counsel for the petitioner has further submitted.
One peculiar circumstance.
Just a minute. Has further submitted that immediately after the agreement, the petitioner was transferred from Supol, and therefore he had no opportunity of taking steps for recovery of the custom mill rice from the rice miller. Stop. Regard being had to the aforestated facts, namely grant of anticipatory bail to all other functionaries of the FCI, as well as to the rice miller, and there being nothing to indicate that the petitioner had conspired to enter into an agreement with Kumar, knowing fully well that he shall not respect the agreement, he is directed to be released in the event of arrest or surrender 10,000.